Hi, welcome to Blue Baron Carpet Cleaning Systems, home of the Access Point heat exchangers and Blue Baron truck mounts. It is August 15, 2020. We're working this Saturday. We just finished this unit, fully completed 2020 45 SE unit. And it's got all the fine features, as you can see, the aviation throttle, the full control panel with tachometer, hour meter, pressure gauge, vacuum gauge. It's got everything, all stainless pipes. It's got all the safety features with the belt guard for your pump and the pump pulley assembly. And it's a powder coated quarter plate. In fact, this is the quarter plate. This is what we start out at, just to give you an idea about how much work is involved in building these units. They're all TIG welded, and we use the 308L stainless rod, deep penetrating welds. 1/4 plate, lifetime warranty on these frames. As you can see, the panel is put on. This whole unit has been augmented, and the infrastructure, we have an infrastructure. This isn't just a panel like you see on some other units and other manufacturers. We go to the full extent of putting an infrastructure and giving it that sturdiness and longevity that you want in a truck mount. So you're paying good money for these truck mounts, and we want to give you the very best the industry has to offer. And as you can see, we have a full solid header. We're not building the interconnects anymore. We're just making them solid. It's easier for us to do that and developing our own methodology of how we do it. The only interconnection is right here with an all stainless 1 7/8 custom build flex hose, which is what we do, is we custom build our own hoses, which are unlike other companies in the industry. So we have an expanding array of CNC equipment and laser cutting and all kinds of equipment to help in the manufacturing process. So as you can see, we only use on these Blue Baron series like SEs, we use the 27 horse Kohler, which is a beautiful engine, lasts a long time. It's got 10,000 dealers worldwide. It's air cooled. It's overhead cam, twin engine, command engine. It's got the built-in fuel pump, real easy to hook up. It comes with a 5/16 hose. As you can see, we have a drain for the engine, and in the back of this pump we also have a drain for the pump as well. And we don't use couplers, those dangerous couplers. We use professional, highly industrial cog belts that run cool, true gripping power, low shed, and they last for a few years. I've had people have these on the same unit when they got it, and 3-4 years later they might change a belt, or they might go another couple years beyond that. These belts last a long time. As you can see, everything is nicely put together, fully powder coated, all stainless, patented, 3,500 pounds pressure rated. This machine will do pressure unlike any other machine. This one can do up to 3,000 pounds pressure. It's got all stainless in the back. Everything is stainless. Stainless braided hoses for the majority of the connections are all stainless. 500 degrees tolerance, really nice, constructed. We don't use cheap materials, as you can see. We use high quality materials, unlike other manufacturers, and really easy to operate. We've got our own machined manifold for a high out. This is a dual port unit. So we have a 4MR blower, which is 410 CFM at 15 inches of mercury lift. It will give you the extraction power that you need to get those carpets as dry and quickly dried as possible, so that your customer will be happy. And anytime you want to change out a belt, you loosen this up and you can loosen the bolts, and it's easy to get up underneath here as well. It's not hard to reach. It's an open concept, so you're not worried about louvered covers, scraping your hands and knuckles just to try to pull off a louvered cover, and then besides that have to get through partitions just to get to the belts. You don't need that maintenance nightmare. This is really easy. So this just slides out. This 3/8/16 tapped and threaded. just take these bolts, lift these two out, not completely all the way out, and this one here you take out, and then the thing will lift right out, and it's easy to put back in there, and just everything is just nicely put together. All of the pump and the blower have brackets to give you true angular alignment. Same on this side, and then we have pullbacks over here for your blower to give you the tension you need. And the straightness is very important, so that when you have these guided tools built into your frame, you're going to get a true alignment, which equates to low wear. You're going to get maximum life out of your belts. So everything is here. We got a high limit shutdown. We got thermostatic control around the front here. We have a thermostat, and we just have good regulation on these units. You can virtually walk away and get regulation while you're either moving tables or chairs, if you're in a restaurant, or you're just pulling out hoses for your next job, and you forget to shut the machine down for whatever reason, you can have the regulation that you need. And that's important. So all our units have a serial number. This one happens to be 3120055, and it's got the last step injection. It's got everything you need on it, really. It's just totally awesome machine, really well built. There's no cheap parts on this unit, and this is why we have an excellent repair record for the last 15 years. And the last step injection works great to keep the chemicals out of the heater and the rest of the fittings. We're real happy with what we've done with Blue Baron. So yes, we can go from there to there using our expertise and our hard work and passion to bring it to you in its fullness and completion, fully operable. Do the pressure washing jobs that others cannot. Don't walk away from any jobs whatsoever. You want to be able to do all the jobs. And the Blue Baron series of truck mounts will do that. We also have the entry level called the Aviator 36. We have a total of 7 models to choose from. So we have the Aviator 36, the 36 Compact 45 unit, which is only 20 inches. It's right up to here. It's only 20 inches wide. And the difference between the 45 SC and the 40 Compact series is pretty much the unit has a heater for winter months. Down at the bottom is the post heater. It's all stainless. An extra 40 feet of high pressure tubing to give you that head start. So either way, I mean, we get good heat just on the Compact series anyways, because it's a shorter path straight down into your heater. And there's no obstruction with post heaters, so everything is strictly for the heater. And we don't take our heater at the bottom and mix it up into an air chamber. Like for instance, they'll use the blower as a means of preheating the water. So in other words, this would go into another heater, go through obstacles, create differential and resistance to airflow, which causes heat, low CFM, which creates low lift and wet carpets. So you want quick dry times. It comes in through here, comes out here, down through here, and out through the silencer. And our silencer is professionally made. It's not a car muffler like some of these other companies are building car mufflers on their units. This is a fully operational silencer that will give you decibel dampening required for this industry, so that in case you're in a noise sensitive area of the country or the town or wherever you are. So if you have any questions, call us at 727-505-2989, and we'll answer any of your questions. Go on our store, truckmountstore.com. Ask about our accessories and the inline filter box, which is a new innovative way of filtrating your water prior to going into your recovery tank. It's a new addition that we've had since last year. So thank you.